Okay, welcome everyone. Hope you enjoyed the repair. I was very thrilled that I was able to put it together in one piece. So we're gonna pick up where I started last time and stopped and disassembled, and then go into the new assembly, and we'll finish this up today. Aiming for less than 10 minutes, but you know how that goes with me. And also, I do want to note that I did sand down on the last video, this sort of split and popped up, so it was holding the marble in place. So I did sand that down to make it, smoother, and hopefully it won't pop up again. But all that introduction out of the way, let's dig in. All right, man. Yep. Down there. Okay. Still getting a little bump there, so after assembly, I might throw some glue on there to hold that steady. Okay, this one goes. Let's make sure that's. Okay, are you rolling through? Excellent. I don't have anything to. Let's leave it over here now. We're almost done. Okay, you get the short one, you the long one, you're the stupid one. All right. Okay, already at 3 minutes, so yeah, I'm not gonna make this under 10. But I had a hunch I was lying to you with that. Okay, like that. Excellent. And do got the slightly rounded end, so I'm assuming that goes there to make it easier on a corner or something. Isn't it amazing how I pay attention after I've made up such a huge mistake over here that okay. Wow, that one popped right on. That was unexpected. A little bit on that. I think I put that in backwards, but it still flew. Or okay. And Doop. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. That's all the pieces. Now we just got to assemble it. All right. So, okay. This one. That. And that still popped up again. I don't know. I don't know if it's me or the humidity or I'm just doing something wrong, but I keep splitting the layer on this and it's not. Okay. So that had a hump there, and it may not have been enough to stop the marble on that one, but it was definitely a hump. And you all right. Yep, see that one I did it too. Just pull that off. Is there okay, so it goes like this supposedly. Down there. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, that is the end. It is assembled. Huh. Okay. Let's load her up and get her rolling, huh? Let's put them down here. All right. All right. So I think this is going to be Yep. Yep. Well, like I said, I'm gonna have to do some sanding and. Oh, that didn't go. Huh. Well, that's irritating. Down a little bit. Okay. Okay. Alright, well, I'll do a proper video showing them some more angles and better views of the actual marble running, and I'll actually, I was thinking I'm gonna get some more marbles from my other run and let them go, but it doesn't. I'm not getting ahead of it on this one. I may put some of these on that other one to let it go a little bit more, but we'll worry about that later. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, do whatever you want to with all that. I got in under 12 minutes, so maybe that's all right. Be good to one another. I'll see you next time. Bye.